If your vehicle has a check engine light on, is running rough, that's going to be one of the top problems we're going to talk about today on this third generation Kia Optima. Let's get started. On the problem number one, we're going to have door locks malfunctioning. This won't allow the driver or the passenger to open the doors. A faulty door latch assembly will cause one or both of the front doors to have issues opening or closing. Replacing the worn out latch will commonly fix this issue. For the second common issue that we're going to talk about for this vehicle is going to be your alternator. If your battery light is on, flashing, or the vehicle seems to have a problem starting, that may be a telltale sign that the alternator is going bad. One thing that we can do to test that out, and this is not a scientific method, is using a multimeter to kind of check the voltage of the vehicle while it's running. We should be at around 13.7 to 14.2.5. Another telltale sign is going to be your dashboard, the infotainment system, and even the dome light. If you can see the vehicle acting differently when you give it gas, you can see the light kind of dimming and going back, that means your alternator is probably going bad. Your alternator may be fine, it might be charging the battery, but sometimes the bearing goes bad on the alternator itself. It could start whining or even rattling. That's gonna be another telltale sign that your alternator is going bad. The only solution, if you have any of those symptoms, is gonna be to replace the alternator. Just make sure that you pick the right amperage for your vehicle. For problem number three, we're gonna talk about your AC compressor clutch going bad. If you notice that your AC does not work as it should, or that you get one side hotter than the other, you're not getting AC that's consistent with the summer heat, then you might be looking at a bad or faulty AC compressor. In this case, you could, if you catch the problem early, you could replace just the AC compressor clutch. This is highly recommended to be replaced by a professional or someone that knows how to shim this. Your other option is gonna be to replace the whole unit. In that case, will be the AC compressor unit. Just keep in mind, if you have any other issues with the AC system, you can always buy these parts at 1aauto.com. For problem number four, we're gonna talk about your throttle position sensor switch. It is a common problem in these vehicles. If you have a check engine light on, combined with lack of power, it is most likely you have an issue with your throttle body. Unfortunately, on these vehicles, they are non-serviceable. You cannot just replace the switch, you will have to replace the entire unit. Just keep in mind, if you replace the throttle body, you will need to do a relearn procedure on the vehicle. For problem number five, we're gonna talk about the issue that we showed at the beginning of the video. It's gonna be a persistent check engine light, a loss of power, running rough. The issue could be related to spark plugs, coil packs, injectors, or an air-fuel mixture problem. It is important that you fix these issues in a timely manner because it will cause further damage to the engine.